Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, I have on my Christmas pajamas. So it is that time to start decorating for the season. I'm kind of excited, but kind of not, because I really don't know what I want to do with the entryway, but y'all will come along with me for the process. So we're gonna start in the entryway and then we're gonna move throughout the rest of the house. Y'all know I don't hardly decorate my entire home for Christmas, but we do the entryway as well as the living room area and the dining area. So we're going to work with those areas. I'm also deciding to do Vlogmas this year, but I'm doing it my way. So I'm going to be posting daily short videos alongside my regular Sunday content. You guys know I usually post a short video on Wednesday and Fridays. I'm doing the entire week, and then we're going to post the regular content on Sunday. So I hope you guys enjoy that. But let's start decorating. I'm not too sure how I want to decorate inside here. I'm thinking about putting up the small tree. I want 2 trees up. I'm thinking about putting the small tree up by the window like I usually do, but I'm not sure how I'm going to elevate it a little higher than it usually is, because it's usually just on that table, but I want it higher. So we're gonna figure that out. But we're gonna start off with the entryway table, and then we're gonna work on the tree a little, and then we're moving to the hutch in that exact order. So if you guys are ready for some decorate me for the Christmas, let's get to it. Also, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do consider subscribing to the channel, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. So let's get to decorating, shall we? Let's go. Come on, let's go. Starting off with the entryway table, I'm going to place down my newest vase from xoxo, and then I'm going to add those stems that I recently purchased from Shein into the vase. They're actually picks, I think, that you use for a garland, but I'm using them in my vase, and I absolutely love the way that they look in the vase. To hold them in place, I'm just using some newspaper that's stuffed down in the vase so that I can just stick the stems inside it, and that worked out beautifully. Next, I'm going to be placing down some decor books. I absolutely love decorating with decor books. I also read them a lot to just find inspiration on decor styles and things that I can actually implement in my home. They're very, very helpful for that. So I'm placing down a stack of 2 and then a single book. And on my single book, I'm going to place down this little lamp that it's usually inside our guest bedroom. It's actually a clock and a radio and a lamp, but we just have it thrown inside the guest bedroom, so I thought, why not place it on the table for this look today, and if I don't like it, I'll just take it off the table and place it back inside the guest bedroom. On the stack of 2 books, I'm placing down a Christmas tree that is also a little lamp, a reindeer, and our newest candle from Kick. I got this from Teddy in a vanilla scent, and y'all, it actually smells really nice. I love the way this ornament candle looks. I'm not sure if I'm going to change out the ribbon, but for right now it looks really nice as is. I officially decided to put up the small Christmas tree, and I'm going to be placing it right next to the radiator in front of the window, just so you get a little glimpse of it from the front of the home, and then our main tree is going to go up inside the living room. So just to elevate this tree, because it's really, really small, I'm going to be placing it on top of a small side table just to give it some extra height. Because I didn't want to use the stand that the tree came with, I decided to go with my small concrete vase, and I'm just checking to see if it's tall enough to hold the tree in place, and it seems like it is. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some extra rocks that I have left over from placing in the planters in our front yard. I would really love to show you guys our front yard. It just looks so nice, but because it's so close to a main street, I have to be very careful, because how the house is designed, any glare in the window, you can see everything. So just for safety reasons, I'm unable to show you guys the front yard, but maybe one day I'll figure it out. I'll figure out how to show you guys it in a more secure and safe way. So I'm just placing those rocks inside the vase until I feel like the tree is secured enough. And I really had to make sure that I placed a lot around the edge just to make sure it balanced and stayed up. But that worked out really well. I may find a taller vase and just change it over, but for right now it looks like a real plant growing out of a vase, and I love the way that looks. So we're going to go ahead and fluff out the tree. I planned to only add the lights to this tree and just leave it really simple, but then I found this box of ornaments, old ornaments that I didn't throw away. I actually thought I threw this away, but I didn't. So I decided to use the silver ones on the tree, and I like how it looks. It doesn't look junky. It doesn't look like it has a lot of ornaments on it because it is such a small tree. It just looks lit up, or extra lit up, because the light just glares off of the silver, and I like how that looks. So I may come back and add some more ornaments to it or change up some stuff, but for right now I'm loving how the silver looks on this small tree. For my hutch, I wanted to keep it really simple as well. First, I'm going down with this linen covered book, and then I'm adding this DIY vase that I have a lot of different greeneries in, including some of the greenery that I used on the entryway table, and I think that looks amazing. I just love creating floral arrangements. It's just my favorite thing. To my second shelf, I'm adding a corral of vessels or vases in one corner, and then to the next corner I'm placing down another linen covered book, and on top of that I'm adding a bristle Christmas tree and two of my small houses. For my third and final shelf, I'm adding in 3 books in one corner, and then to the opposite side of where I have the little Christmas village, I'm going in with another bristle tree and 2 more of the small houses, and next to the books I decided to add a reindeer. I'm still playing around with the arrangement in the hutch, but when I do officially decide on what I want, I will come back and share it with you guys. The placement of the tree this year in the living room is so different because we decided to add the buffet table under the television. I don't have a lot of space like I did last Christmas, and we had the Christmas tree right by the sliding door so you can actually see it from the back of the yard. But this time we decided to go ahead and add it in the corner next to the dining table, and I think it actually looks really good there. What do you guys think? should I try to slide the table over some more and add it next to the door, the sliding door, or is this placement pretty good? I like how it looks because in the night when the lights are on, it actually glimmers in the photos that are on the wall. The glass reflects the light and it just looks so magical. But let me know what you guys think about the placement this year. You guys have seen me add the lighting to my Christmas tree about 4 Christmases ago, maybe. It's the same technique I use, the weaving technique all through. I actually see a lot of people doing it now, so I'm glad to be helpful, even though I don't get the recognition. It's fine, it's fine. But I love adding it this way because it just makes the tree look like a pre-lit tree without being a pre-lit tree. You know what I mean? If you guys are interested in seeing how I decorated this tree for the Christmas, you're going to have to come back on Sunday. So I'll be sharing it with you guys on Sunday in the next video, but definitely watch the short videos because I am placing a lot of my little decor and what I'm doing around the home in my shorts, and I hope you guys are enjoying that during this Vlogmas. I can't wait to see you guys in the next Sunday video. Until then, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed as yet, please do consider subscribing. I am sure that you guys will enjoy it here because all we do is give love, support, and we also give some good content. So until next time, happy holidays guys, and y'all stay safe out there. Auf Wiedersehen.